Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. What we're going to do in this video is show you step by step how you can mint your MOLDER NFT. So this is the first NFT on Meld. So what we're going to do in this video is show you step by step how to do that. So if you get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Ultimately, what we're going to do is convert some ADA to MELD. We're going to bridge over MELD to the MELD chain, and then we're also going to show you how to acquire more gMELD so that you can then go to the MOLDER NFT website, and I'll show you how you can mint your own. So this is an official Loose Moose MOLDER. So we'll see you in the video. All right, everybody, what we're going to do now is do a live video. I'm going to be minting a MOLDER's NFT. So if we take a look here, the official MOLDER NFT minting event announcement, Thursday, September 26th. So right now, this is live. So let's dive right into the minting. So we're going to go down to the minting page, and it's going to be this link. I will provide that in the description below. I have a funny feeling that these may sell out pretty quickly. So let's dive right into the mint. So it's Mint MOLDER NFT. And guys, I have tons of tutorials teaching you step by step how you can pick up some MELD, swap from ADA to MELD, etc. So we have quite a few assets. I don't know how much I have liquid MELD. So guys, in this video, I'm just doing a little BTS of me minting an NFT. This is the first NFT on Meld. So I want it to be a little more loose of a video. Just take you through some behind the scenes, you know? It's really cool to be able to look back a couple years from now and think, hey, remember when we minted this? Remember when I minted a Copy NFT? So I'm most likely going to be doing the same thing with jetpacks. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my Nami, and I have some ADA, and what we're going to need, I assume, is some MELD and gMELD. So it looks like 29.90, and we got to be pretty swift here. And I'm going to swap some ADA for some MELD. And we do have to hold some MELD on MELD. So let's see how well we can do that. So guys, use DexHunter if you want to pick up some MELD. And then from there, what you can do is bridge it over. So right now, I'm doing this in perhaps the most tedious, meticulous way. I've got a Trezor Model T hooked up. And quite frankly, I could be doing this a lot quicker with a hot wallet. So I recommend to have some funds ready to go on a hot wallet and get this ready ahead of time. So when minting does happen, you're not going to be all stressed out like the Moose is right now. Moose is going to be wound up before this happens. Guys, I have a ton of MELD, but I'm staking it all. So I've got 500,000 MELD I just provided to the Azomi. So again, like, if you guys can, make sure to stay liquid a little bit. Like, when things come up like this, you want to make sure you have enough, because right now I only have 409 MELD that's actually liquid. So now I have to use a Dex. I got to convert some ADA. So guys, keep that in mind. Always stay liquid. Do not do what the Moose is doing. You guys got to remain loose. Be ready on the sidelines. I like this one, number 77. That could be one. So we'll see if this is a little bit swifter. If I end up with more MELD, it don't matter. Moose is always ready to get loose on MELD. I bet you this one goes right through. That's the thing, guys. Experiment with different dexes. A little noisy. Sounds like the Moose snoring at night. I always find that Minswap's a little bit quicker, so we'll see. There we go, 7,200 MELD. I wonder if that's from DexHunter though. So we now have 8,000 MELD. So now that we have 8,000 MELD, we can bridge it from Cardano to MELD on MELD. Okay, so we have a good amount there. So let's bridge over all of our MELD. And we're going to bridge it over to MELD. So we're going ADA to MELD. Okay, we're just going to sign this transaction. The fee is like nothing. Nothing bad at all. So here, because we're using a hardware wallet, we're still going to have to sign at least from the Cardano side, until we get to Meld. So once you have your Meld on Meld, it's going to be significantly cheaper, okay? So now we're going to bridge the tokens over. This may take a little bit, but once we get them, right? So now we can close this. We want to close out on as much as possible. All right, so we're ready to go here. We now have enough Meld on Meld. So what we're going to do is we are going to send Meld. So over here, we've got Meld on Meld. So I'm going to hit the send, and I'm going to paste it into this address. And let's just do a little less than the max. Let's do 7,000. So we could perhaps mint 2 of these NFTs. There we go. So we're going to hit send. It's going to use a little bit of gMELD for the gas fees, and we should receive this pretty swiftly. So we now have 7,000 Meld on our Metamask. And now we're going to connect our Metamask. So I've got a bunch of Meld on my Trezor Model T, which I have plugged in. So that's what I'm going to use. You guys can do it which way you want. So here we've got how many to mint. Let's do 2. So we do have enough Meld here. 20 gMELD. So it looks like we need more gMELD. All right, so what we're going to do to unwrap is we are going to go Meld on Meld, click on that, and go to unwrap. So we're going to do 200, 250. Okay. Unwrap. So now we have 250 gMELD. So now we're going to enable Meld. Okay. And we're going to confirm by our wallet. So here we'll hit next, next. So we got tons of gMELD. Okay, so here we could toggle between how many we want. We're going to do 1 here. We're going to click mint. So it's going to be 10 gMELD plus small amount of gas fees. We're going to hit confirm. All right, so minting. So I got 1583. So we have our MOLDER. And once it loads, I'll share that with you guys. So let's mint 1 more. These are pretty cheap. So what we're going to do is hit mint. And again, you guys need to have at least 10 gMELD. All right, so I won 245. So I own number 245. That's cool. So this is the one we got. All right, guys, so that's all we have for you in this video. Again, all you're going to do is pick up some ADA, convert that to Meld, bridge over Meld from Cardano to Meld on Meld. And if you need some gMELD because you don't have enough, all you're going to do is wrap some Meld and convert that to gMELD, and you're ready to go. So it's roughly 3,000 Meld plus 10 gMELD, and you can mint accordingly. So guys, head over to the link tree, save 10% off your Tangem using code Moose. You can also use the link tree to get to the MOLDER NFT sale. I've got a lot of more videos coming out for you guys real soon. So use the link tree, guys. Take an online course. See what else we got. We got a free Cardano mini course. People have been loving that on Udemy. The reviews are through the roof right now, so I like seeing that. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.